You might have heard from some of your friends or seniors that in spite of amazing preparation, they were not able to perform well in those 3 hours of GATE exam. If you want to know the reason and learn from their mistakes, then watch this video till the end. Hello everyone, welcome to the GATE Academy. In this video, I'll be talking about 4 success mantras which will be maximizing your efficiency in those 3 hours of GATE exam. So let's start with our mantra number 1, that is attempt general aptitude section first. I don't know why some of you fear with general aptitude question, but if you'll see historical data, you'll find that general aptitude questions of GATE are comparatively much easier than the technical questions, and it takes lesser time also. So don't you think it is obvious to target this particular section first? One thing I'm advising you to follow, if you're unable to crack the concept or approach of the question in initial 60 seconds, then leave that question and go to the next question. Only passage question might take some 30 or 60 seconds extra. If you are able to execute this strategy very well, trust me guys, 10 to 12 marks within those first 15 minutes is in your pocket. Amazing, na? Now, before going to second mantra, can you tell me what is one biggest mistake or concern of the students in the exam hall? I'm requesting you to pause this video and answer in the comment section. Done? Great. I'm sure that many of you have correctly guessed that it is poor time management. To solve this problem, we have our second success mantra, which is follow EMD. अब सर ये EMD क्या है नहीं पता है? अरे खैर बताता हूं मैं EMD. But उसके पहले let's imagine that your GATE paper is not in random nature. Just like you have a section for general aptitude, you have a section for other subject as well. Okay, and you know that where the subject 1 questions are there, where the subject 2 questions are there, and you have to just click on those section and attempt. Don't you think it is very obvious that you will be attempting those subject first, which is easier or where you are more comfortable? It's a common sense. But unfortunately, it is a dream. But what if we are able to execute this, or we are able to find one method by which we can achieve the same thing? That is EMD. What you have to do, you have to glance through all 55 questions by just reading initial data, 1 line or 2 line kind of thing. And if you feel that you are able to understand the concept of the question and approach also, that will be E, that is easy. If you do not know about the approach but you are sure about the concept, then that will become M, that is moderate, and the remaining all will be tough. What you can do, you can use your rough paper to mark these numbers, like which will belong to E and which will belong to M, and the remaining one is obviously difficult. So first what you have to do, after scanning through all the questions, you have to attempt easy question first, E question first, and then go to M and then D. One very important point here, want to highlight, when you are reading through the question for marking, you might come up across some theory questions which will belong to easy category. It is advisable that you attempt that question then and there only. It will save time. In this entire activity, you will invest around 15 minutes time. I know you might be thinking, sir, 15 minutes is too huge. I have not attempted any single question in 15 minutes. What if there was no theory question at all? So this 15 minutes is going waste. Trust me guys, this is not a waste, this is invest. Because just imagine a situation, once you have classified the question and then you start attempting, obviously you'll start with the easy question. In 90 to 100 minutes, you will be at such a position where you have positively, successfully attempted 30 to 35 questions. And that means 50 plus marks in your pocket. Wow! अभी काफी समय बचा हुआ है पेपर खत्म होने के लिए, and I have 50 marks and I have that confidence also. Now let's go to the third success mantra. Is do not get emotional. I'll give an example. Suppose one of the students, probability concept is very amazing, okay, and he saw one question in the exam and he started solving. because he is very happy after looking at the probability question. Oh my god, ये question तो मैं फोड़ ही डालूंगा. लेकिन जब उसने सॉल्व करना चालू किया तो उसने देखा कि ही इज गेटिंग स्टक, बट ड्यू टू ईगो ही इज नॉट लीविंग दैट क्वेश्चन, ही इज वेस्टिंग अराउंड 10 minutes टाइम. दिस इज नॉट करेक्ट अप्रोच बॉस. मोह माया त्याग देनी है वहां पर. अगर आप इस तरह से एक पर्टिकुलर क्वेश्चन पे अटके रहोगे तो बहुत सारा नुकसान आगे हो जाने वाला है. तो डू नॉट गेट इमोशनल विद अ पर्टिकुलर कॉन्सेप्ट. लीव दैट क्वेश्चन. आपने जितना भी सॉल्व किया है, मार्क इट फॉर रिव्यू एंड गो टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. द फोर्थ एंड वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट सक्सेस मंत्रा, जैसे कि मैंने बताया अभी कि there will be certain question which you are unable to solve and you have marked for review. Just imagine a situation that at the end of the exam you have 30 minutes in your hand or 20 minutes in your hand and you want to walk through those mark for review questions. आप पूरे questions को देखना चाहते हैं जिसको भी आपने mark for review किया हुआ है. अब क्या हो रहा है, ऑब्वियसली आपने रफ शीट में सॉल्व किया होगा. अब आप ढूंढ रहे हैं कि कहां पे सॉल्व किया यार, कहां पे सॉल्व किया, मिल नहीं रहा है क्वेश्चन. जब वो क्वेश्चन नहीं मिल रहा है तो अगेन आपने जो उधर टाइम इन्वेस्ट किया था दैट गॉट वेस्टेड. सो इट इज एडवाइजेबल टू यूज योर रफ शीट वेरी प्रॉपरली. सो दिस इज द फोर्थ सक्सेस मंत्रा, यूसेज ऑफ रफ शीट इन अ स्ट्रक्चर वे. तो क्या है, आपने जैसे क्वेश्चन नंबर 15 सॉल्व कर रहे हैं, 15 मतलब मार्किंग कर दिया आपने, एंड वॉट एवर यू कुड सॉल्व इन दोस 2 minutes, जिसके बाद आपने मार्क फॉर रिव्यू किया है. एंड देन when at the end of the exam, जब आपके पास 15-20 minutes है, then you're coming back and saying, अच्छा okay, question number 15 और here's the solution. Let me approach, जहां तक मैंने सॉल्व किया उसके बाद से मैं अप्रोच करता हूं. आप ये जितने भी मेथड मैं बता रहा हूं, आप एक किसी टेस्ट सीरीज पे भी इंप्लीमेंट करके देख सकते हो एक. उसके बाद में आप गेट एग्जाम में यूज करके देखिए, आपको डेफिनेटली यू विल गेट लॉट ऑफ बेनिफिट. Okay, so I hope you'll follow all this advice which I have given. Okay, and do amazing in your GATE exam. So all the best for your GATE exam, and see you on the exam day where we'll be coming live with detailed analysis of all the papers and video solution of the memory based questions. So all the best guys. Bye bye. Take care.